So, welcome back to Royale. So, guys, the reason I'm not going to be uploading on Halloween or this upcoming week is because I am going to be a bit busy. So, it's almost Halloween, and you can see Royale is all decked out. So, I am just like getting the hang of all this. So I've been pretty busy. I've been mostly playing Roblox. I know I should update you guys. And so just letting you guys know, I am going to upload a special video on Friday. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but I hope you guys have a good Halloween and all that, because I am going to be very busy. And the train is flat. Just go over here and collect all these items and everything. Oh no, I fell. Oh, and what I discovered, guys, is I fell off there. Just wow. Call Me Bob took the Mario, like Super Mario sounds, and added it to her game. Wait, can you turn off the music? I don't know if you guys can hear it. See? She added the Mario sounds to Royale High. And if I hear that correctly, that means she is breaking, unless she asked them, but I don't know. Either way, she stole it from Super Mario. So that either means this game's going to be shut down, or they're going to ask her to take it off. Like, take it off the whole entire, like, take off the sound. I, joined today. I was collecting diamonds. I was in the water, and I heard Mario's voice, and then I went to collect another diamond. It was Yoshi's voice, and I'm like, OMG, she stole this. Yeah, I know most of you guys are going to be like, don't make such a big deal out of it. I know some of you guys will say that. So, and other than these guys, me and Kaylee are friends again. Yeah, I know you're going to say that we're just going to break up being friends again. And we're going to have a huge fight. But no, we are not going to have a huge fight again, because we are going to be very busy. We hardly call each other now. Yeah, but let me try to get one more example. If I can find one diamond. One more diamond. And didn't know this was here. Well, we're discovering new things every single day. Okay, so guys, I collected already 2 chests, the new Halloween chest today. I got this dragon staff and a witch hat, which I already have a witch hat, but it's a better looking witch hat. So it's right over, oh man, I hate it when it stops working. It's right over there in that tree. It's supposed to be kitty paws. And I know I was supposed to wait to start a video on the actual, not egg hunt. The only problem is, it is very hard to actually click on the chat. Oh, I got it. Okay, kitty paws. So that is up in that tree. And let me just, accessories, let me see. Oh, and also guys, I got most of the Halloween stuff. I got the kawaii. I forgot what it's called, but please write down in the comments. But my favorite thing is the dragon staff. Because, like, literally, you can do so many role plays. I could do a Queen of Mean, like, little episode where I just pull out the staff and go, pew, mew, pew, mew. Yeah, but I know. Think about it. So, also, guys, I want you guys to vote. Should I start playing new games? Or should I keep playing the games that you guys are familiar with? So, leave it down in the description below. Bye!